In today's home maintenance video, we will be relocating a light box above a vanity. The electrical print is matched up to the cabinet layout prior to construction, but in this case, the client made some cabinet changes that resulted in the vanity moving a couple of inches to the left. So we need to move the light fixture over to center over the sink and faucet. Let's roll.
I've already unbolted the light box from the blocking that was put up pre-drywall. We are now going to take our multi-tool. This is a Ryobi multi-tool. It's an oscillating tip. It will cut drywall, most of your woods. It even has some tips to cut metal if you want to, but we're going to try to cut this piece similar to the original cutout. That way when we're done, we can take it and flip it over to the other side and make the patching easier whenever we get it all back together. And now we're going to pull the patch out and we're going to sit it down until we get the box mounted back in place. Okay, now we're putting the box back in place. We're going to screw it back to the support that we put in the wall prior to drywalling. Get everything back secure and tight. That way the light is solid when it goes back in. Okay, the box is back in place. Now we're going to trim the blocking up so that it fits back in the hole on the other side. That way we can use it for a patch and we don't have a big gap to fill in. There we go. Perfect. That's it.